to our story workshop. Today's the kids' playtime with Humphrey. Okay? We sing,
welcome to our story time, boys and girls and mums and dads. Let's all read and rhyme today and say good night for another day. Welcome to our story time, boys and girls and mums and dads.
Ready? It's Humphrey's playtime. Here's Humphrey here. Humphrey has some lovely things in his big toy box. What's Humphrey playing with today? Here's Humphrey. A rainbow jigsaw. A caterpillar. Wow. Choo the train. Choo choo. Wooden bricks. Painted animals. Come painted animals like. A spinning top. A bouncy ball. Boing, boing. And a bumblebee. A bee, that's right, well done. Hello, says Zebra to Mop. How are you today? Humphrey plays with his spinning tops and tries his best at doing a jigsaw. Okay? Ready? Humphrey makes a lovely house for Mop. Look, he's used all these wooden blocks. All the animals come to visit. Dinner time, says Mummy. Humphrey puts all his toys away nicely. Bye-bye. Be good. See you tomorrow, says Humphrey. The end. It's all done, isn't it? All done, eh? We sing goodbye? Yeah?
Thanks for coming to story time, boys and girls and mums and dads.
Bye-bye. Good night,